Endrino, just a quick video to show you how to render VR videos or 360 videos taken from the Wunder360 camera. You just drop it into Premiere, and then you can here put anything, any text you want. See here, like, hi, uh, subscribe to Endrino Reviews TV. This is my channel. You can also modify the whatever you want, okay, and you can make it like this. You can do whatever you want with this, okay. And once you have edited your video, when you go, this is, by the way, a Premiere Pro CC 2018, but you can do it also with 2017. When you go to export your media, you will find this put into your video later. That's why you are editing, okay. You can cut it, you can do whatever you want, but when you are on the video tab, you have to go down here and see and check this. The video is virtual reality. This is VR video. Make sure this last option is checked, and then you will export it into a 360 video with the 360 metadata that you can upload straight to YouTube or wherever you're uploading it. Okay, so just make sure this is checked, and the rest is very, very easy. Okay, thank you. By the way, be sure you you subscribe to Endrino Reviews TV. Thank you.